Here are 5 common problems that students face when solving word problems and how to avoid them. Some students do not read the problem carefully, so make it a habit to ask them to explain the problem in their own words. Knowing that they're expected to do so after reading the problem will help them develop the habit of reading the problem carefully. Other students struggle with multi-step word problems. So the best solution here is to teach them how to break down problems into smaller steps. Some students misinterpret keywords when solving word problems. Sometimes they add just because they saw the word altogether, or they subtract just because they saw the word less than. This is a wrong practice. They have to understand that it's important to read the whole word problem and understand it as a whole. They should refrain from looking for keywords and basing the operation that they will use on those keywords. So, to avoid this, they can use the bar model method. This way, they can visualize what the whole problem is all about. Some students, on the other hand, use the incorrect bar model. So, what parents and teachers can do is to ask guide questions. An example would be, are we talking about parts and whole here? If so, you need to use the part whole model. Are we comparing here? If so, then you need to use the comparison model. Who will get the longer bar? Who has more? How many more? These questions will help the students draw the correct bar model for the problem. Some students do not get the correct answer because they use the wrong operation. A way to avoid this is to ask the students to draw what the problem is all about. Another way is to draw the bar model method. This way, the students can visualize what is being asked in the problem and what operation they can use to solve the problem. If your children need help in solving word problems using the bar model method, this book is for them. The Singapore Math Bar Model Method from Beginner to Advanced Level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to the links to the videos of the answers to the problem exercises and chapter tests. Interested? All you have to do is to scan the QR code right here. Now, if you are a parent or a teacher who wants to learn how you can teach your children or your students the bar model method, I have this on demand webinar, the bar model method on demand webinar for teachers and parents. Here, I will be discussing the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models. We will also answer one step, two step, and multi step word problems. Also, I will answer some frequently asked questions about the bar model method. If you want to enroll, all you have to do is to scan the QR code right here.